Whether you're a full-time pilot, aviation hobbyist, or aviation maintenance mechanic, make sure you keep the Flitz line of polishing and cleaning products on your radar to help you increase aircraft performance, reduce maintenance time, and protect your investment. Since 1977, Flitz International has been a pioneer in non-toxic, eco-safe polishing products that serve the aviation industry. Our track record of extremely happy customers and thousands of 5-star reviews are testimony to the performance and quality of the products we make. Our flagship offering, Flitz Paste Polish, delivers superior performance on everything from aircraft leading edges and spinners to brightwork and canopies. We're proud that every single can of Flitz Polish carries the U.S. MilSpec number that certifies its fitness for use on military aircraft. From the toughest job to the most delicate, Flitz has been an aviation mainstay for over 4 decades. Based in America's heartland in Waterford, Wisconsin, Flitz International is a proud American small business with customers all over the globe. But even with customers as far away as South America, Singapore, and Australia, we've never lost the personal touch that makes Flitz a breeze to do business with. From the legendary Flitz Polish and metal pre-clean to our latest nanotech ceramic sealant and our 100% consumer satisfaction guarantee, making Flitz a part of your maintenance regimen makes great sense on the ground and in the air. To check out the full line of Flitz products, visit us online at flitz.com. That's flitz.com.